Hello, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how I made this beautiful Valentine's wreath using some Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is obviously you're going to grab some Dollar Tree Christmas trees. And these are the white ones, but they also have green. You can easily spray paint them if you want them a different color as well. So just grab 2 of them. And you're going to just grab the trees. You don't need the stands or anything like that. And then you're just going to go ahead and get some zip ties and zip tie them together. And I used about 3 zip ties to make sure that this was nice and sturdy and it stayed together. So once you're done adding your zip ties and you feel comfortable that it's all nice and secure, you're going to go ahead and just fluff up the branches of the tree. Now you don't have to fluff them up just perfectly, but you do want to spread them out. You're going to just continue fluffing and adjusting everything as you go anyway, but you do want them to be spread apart and make sure that you have at least a general idea of where all the branches are going to be. That way you can start adding your decoration pieces onto your wreath. So once you're done fluffing everything up, just go ahead and grab any kind of ribbons you want to use. I only had the pink and purple. I wish I had another color to add on, but since I'm using the supplies that I had at home, these were the 2 colors that I had. And it is a lot easier if you have wire ribbon as well, but you can use, like for instance, this ribbon that I'm using right now, this mesh. Just go ahead and tie it to the one of the points of your wreath, and then you're just going to go ahead and start wrapping it around your branches and twisting your branches in order for that loop to stay in place. I love using things like, for instance, these Christmas trees. So I try to use some of the supplies that I have at home before I go and pick up more supplies. So when I found my Christmas tree that I didn't use these Christmas trees, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them since they were the white color. But like I said, you can easily spray paint these pink, yellow, any color you want. I wish I had even more colors because I would have made one for Easter as well. But just go ahead and start adding all your ribbons throughout your branches. And you just grab the branches that you kind of want the loop to end at and just twist them around your ribbon. And this is a great way, since you're not adding any glue, you can just remove these ribbons and then reuse the trees for a different holiday, which that's what I'm trying to do, is trying to use as least amount of glue or no glue at all in order for me to use this for Easter as well. And when Easter does come around, and you guys, if you're interested in seeing how I redo this wreath for Easter, let me know and I'll add it onto one of my tutorials so you can see how I reuse and what I do differently to make it into an Easter wreath. So once you're done adding all your ribbons, you're just going to add any kind of decoration pieces that you want to add onto your wreath. I'm going to add some of these hearts. These are just some of the hearts that I had from last year, but they always have these hearts at Dollar Tree as well. So again, I'm just going to kind of figure out where I wanted it. And I'm just trying to cover up that metal piece of the trees. And then I'm just going to twist it with the branches as well. You can twist it like I am with the branches, or you can even use a twist tie, or even incorporate ribbon and tie it around with some ribbon as well. If you want to reuse it, or you can just hot glue it. It's up to you. So just go ahead and adjust everything little by little as we go. So the next thing I'm going to add are some of these beads. I had these beads, I believe they're from a thrift store, but you can pick up any kind of beads, or even pearls. I know they have them at Dollar Tree as well, Joann's, Michael's. Just pick up any beads. I try to tend to keep beads around, especially if I find them on clearance. And then I'm just going to glue them onto the tip of my branches. So once I'm done, I went ahead and grabbed some of this ribbon that has some pearls from Dollar Tree as well, and just made some cute little simple bows, and I'm just going to hot glue them around the branches as well. Then I had some wooden hearts that I just painted purple, and I'm just going to glue them onto the ribbon and some of the branches as well. I'm just trying to use a little amount of glue, just a little dot for everything that I am gluing on, just so I can reuse these branches. But go ahead and just add a little bit of glue in the back of your wooden pieces and just glue them onto the ribbon or to the branches themselves. So this is the way it looks so far. Then I had this X and O as well, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bottom of my wreath or swag. And I'm just going to, again, just use one of the branches and twist it onto the XO as well. And this is the way it looks so far. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and make the top bow using the same ribbon that I used around the wreath. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around a few times. And you can do this as big as you want. You can make your bow as small or as big as you want. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around to make some loops. And then I'm just going to get some more ribbon and then tie it in the center to make a bow. And then using some of the string ribbon, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it to my branch. And I just double knotted that to make sure that it stayed in place. Then using the purple wire ribbon, I'm just going to make a simple bow and glue that onto the bigger bow. And then I grabbed one of those wooden hearts just to add that heart onto my bow as well in the center. And then I decided to go ahead and use one more of these foam hearts because I felt like I needed something else right on the top part. So again, I'm just going to twist it around with my branches and secure it that way. And then once you're done securing everything, just go ahead and adjust everything to your liking. And there you have it, an adorable Valentine's wreath swag. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.